Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty. So today's video is a quick bag of the day and a dash through Dillards. So my bag of the day is my Dooney and Bourke Flora Satchel. And this is an oldie but a goodie, an absolutely beautiful bag. It is a nice pop to a black and white outfit, as you can see. This bag has little flowers throughout, and it also has some cute little pink dragonflies, as you can see. And it also has sporadically some Dooney and Bourke signatures throughout. And this is a coated cotton bag. I picked this bag up maybe 6 or 7 years ago, and I haven't pulled her out often, so it was a great day to pull her out. So let's take a quick peek through Dillards and see what they have. As you can see, straight out the gate, Florentine leather. This is the small Florentine satchel in the color natural. With the medium or large, it's been renamed to large, Florentine satchel in natural. And the patina on these bags are absolutely beautiful. And here we have a pebbled leather zip satchel in the color oyster. It's a nice neutral. And this is one of my favorites. I own this bag in my collection. This is the Zip Barlow. It's a nice size tote, and it can hold a lot, and it has those beautiful little zippers on the side to where you can expand it and see that red zipper pull, how much she can hold, and that pop of green suede, which takes it up just another notch. So here are just some crossbodies that were on clearance. This is the tassel zip crossbody, and it is on sale, as you can see, for $62.30. And these are perfect little crossbodies for date night, for trips to the zoo or the theme park, the movies. They're just a perfect size if you want to just carry your ID, a lipstick, hand sanitizer, just little small items like that. So here we are, lots of coral. This is clearance. So we have one pink tote, a Lexington shopper. We have a pebbled leather hobo. As you can see there, a continental clutch wallet. And this hobo was on sale for $104.30. And the continental clutch was on sale for $58.30. And here is just another pebbled leather hobo. This coral is an absolutely fresh color, and I think it could be perfect for all year round. So here we are. Here we have some more pebbled leather, and I absolutely love these charms. I had to have a bag with that charm. There's a crossbody back there, and here is just another cute little shoulder bag. I think that was a bag of the day a couple of days ago. As you can see here, more of this pebbled leather collection. Not much of a collection here at my Dillards, but it's still nice just to walk through. We have some Pammy totes and the Greta collection, Brown Timoro. One of my favorites that has a beautiful strap that's braided. And here I'm just showing you the quality and the beauty of these charms. And I think everyone needs to have at least one bag in their collection with these charms. They can be interchangeable. You can use it on other bags. And here is a cute little flap Florentine wallet. It's the perfect size for some of your smaller bags. And it doesn't even have to be Florentine. Natural goes well with a Sierra leather trim that's on most of the bags. And here we have a couple in black. And then these cute little crossbodies here. This is in the pale pink. And I think this is the taupe color. And then here I'm just sharing with you. And this is Elephant, which is another beautiful neutral that makes those initials just pop off of the bag. And this is the Wexford leather. I Can't remember if I have seen the Wexford leather before, but here is an up close look of the texture. It has kind of a firm texture to it, you know, structured but still soft, if that makes any sense. So here I'm just doing a little mod shot of the bag, and then this is a Florentine tote in the color natural, a really nice size tote for when you don't want to carry much but you still want a tote feel. And this is the Crescent Hobo in the color natural, and surprisingly I actually like this bag. It barely passed the elbow test for me, but it is a really nice little bag. And again, the patina is out of this world. Absolutely beautiful. So here we have the Zip Zip satchel. I was just trying it on. I have a love-hate with that satchel. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I went to lunch and had a half of a tuna sandwich, and I was just showing off the beautiful Flora satchel. And as you can see, my half of a tuna sandwich on pumpernickel with some chips and a cup of water. So thank you guys again for rocking with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.